You can save all the events. You can go to the properties. You can filter the content. So if you find something in your log you're not too sure of, basically write it down, go to Google and Google it and find out exactly what it is. Okay. This is the year, the date and time, 1854. That's a 24-hour clock. For anybody who doesn't understand the 24-hour clock, that's the source, VOLMTR, and the event ID is 46. The task category is none. Okay. So then you have Windows logs, applications and service logs, and subscriptions and shared folders. If you go to performance, you have monitoring tools, and this all sits under your computer management. And here it'll say an overview of the performance monitor. Basically, you can use the performance monitor to view performance data either in real time or from a log by create data collector sets to configure and schedule performance counters and event trace and configuration data collection so that you can analyze the results and view reports. Okay. So computer management is what it says. It is a computer management. Okay, so here you have a system summary, available bytes, and the catch pulse sector, and equipment bytes in use. You also have your wireless network adapter, your physical disk, your processor information, and etc. So let's go to the performance monitor, and this is it here in front of you. And you do have a button that says more actions. Customize, you can have it printed out, properties, or if you're not sure about it, go to help. So I'll just give it a chance to load up here. Hey, people say to me Windows 7 is a very good operating system. It's very stable and it's very fast. I have 2.5 gigs of memory on this desktop computer, and I also have a 500 gig hard drive, and the processor is 35,000, and I personally don't find it very fast for me, and I do not have a lot of programs on the system. Okay, I can tweak it by turning off the background colors and all, which I'll show you later. There's a few tweaks you can do to save a few resources, and you can do them manually. Let me close this one down. Okay, now I do have a recording going in the background, and that is maybe a possibility why it is actually showing it down. Okay, date collector sets, events trace systems, startup event trace systems, which would be very handy. And this here is an event trace of startup. Okay, audio enabled, kernel contacts logger enabled, DAL logger enabled, event log application enabled, and event log security enabled, Microsoft Windows startup disabled, ready boot is enabled. You can actually disable that. Ready boot. IP segment trace is disabled. You also have reports, user defined, and system. Now here you have one called device monitor. There's a number of ways of going to your device manager in your operating system, whether it's Windows 7 or Windows Vista or XP. That says computer management not responding. Okay, so it's responding now. Now, there's a number of ways going in. I'll show you another way of getting your device manager in a second. This is basically your device manager, and it is exactly what it is, and it sits under